I am very grateful to have been granted this scholarship for, of course, but this would not have been possible without the people that made it happen. Um, my coaches, the head teachers of our school, our principal. At first, these competitions that we took part in was actually online. Pero with the initiative of our principal, we were able to go on site uh, at first in Thailand po. So I think that because of the support of our school, um, the students were able to compete in higher stages and so achieve greater opportunities po. And also would not have been possible without the help of the government. Kasi the government and some also non-government individuals and organizations kasi they help finance our competitions when we went on site. So this feat was not by my efforts alone. So I am very thankful for everyone that have helped and of course to God for giving me the opportunity. Um, mula nung elementary kasi, ma'am, sumasali na rin ako sa mga math competitions, ay yung MTAP po. Pero yung grade 7 kasi nag-COVID and so nag-stop na yun. Pero, so wala na kaming pagkokontesan sana. Pero may nag-invite na organization na sumali ang school namin sa International Mathematical Olympiads. And so, doon po nagsimula na makisali kami. And nagustuhan ko rin pong sumali kasi para sa akin yung math is masayang matutunan, masayang pag-aralan. So, yun po. Of course, with the support of our parents po, of my parents, mas may lakas akong makisali, especially sa mga international competitions. And then, yun po, nagtuloy-tuloy because of their support and of course, my coach po, na nagturo sa akin from start until the end of my time as an athlete in Sarat National High School po. The reason na nagtutuloy ako ng maki-contest is because my parents are very supportive and my family also. Yeah, cheers me up po. And so, mas masayang maki-contest at mas nakakagana pag may mga taong sumusuporta. Especially the school and the teachers in it po. So, it's because of that na I kept competing and I was able to garner some medals and especially the final award that hopefully gave honor to the school.